Why choose chrome plating for aluminum? When looking for the best defense against aluminum corrosion, chrome plating is best. The finish of chromium metal on aluminum extends the life of your metal parts and makes them corrosion resistant. Chrome plating is an electrochemical process in which a layer of chromium metal gets deposited on aluminum. It is more than an aesthetic enhancement, although it does look pleasing to the eye. Benefits of chrome plating. Following are the 7 reasons you should choose chrome plating aluminum. Ability to withstand the extreme weather conditions. Chrome plating strengthens aluminum by making it weather resistant. Chrome plating aluminum is not prone to damage due to rain, heat, humidity, cold, and snow. Therefore, chrome-plated aluminum metal parts are best to use outdoors. Restoration to give a new look to the metal. Chrome plating puts a new coating over an aluminum metal that completely revitalizes the appearance of the metal part. The material looks new again after chrome plating. Also, it is a cost-effective way to restore old aluminum items. Attractive appearance. Chrome plating gives a smooth and sleek appearance that beautifies the aluminum products and parts. The finish offered by chrome plating is bright and eye-catching. It is a popular choice for people looking for a decorative surface finish. Do not affect the substrate metal. It won't damage the base material, be it pure aluminum or aluminum alloy die casting. The substrate metal remains undamaged during the process of chrome plating. Moreover, this type of plating can be applied at even lower temperatures without damaging the metal. Strength of adherence. This plating adheres to the substrate metal, aluminum, which makes the metal parts more durable. Further, the strong adherence to chrome plating increases its lifespan and decreases the need for repairs over time. Increase in wear life. Note that the typical hardness of chromium is about 65 to 70 hours. This makes chrome plating rugged against seizure, wear, and tear of mating parts. Low coefficient of lubricity. Aluminum is a metal that gets galls and seizes easily. But chrome's low lubricity reduces the friction between the parts and protects the aluminum metal surface from potential damage. High-performance chrome plating at Sunrise Metal. At Sunrise Metal, custom chrome plating is our specialty. We understand that every aluminum die casting part has unique chrome plating requirements. Our on-site, trained and experienced professionals assess your metal piece and develop a plan of action to best accomplish the chrome plating on it. Sunrise Metal is equipped with high-tech plating equipment and machines offering standard stability as well as a unique surface finish. Furthermore, our chrome plating aluminum enhances the lifespan of aluminum components while offering durability. We have been in the surface coating and aluminum die casting business for over 10 years. You can rely on us for high quality and precision hard chrome plating. In addition to chrome plating, we also offer nickel plating, chromium conversion coating, and many more metal platings. Why choose Sunrise Metal for chrome plating? Strict quality control capability. We do strict inspections from raw material to finished parts with our high-level test lab to meet your requirements. Rose and reach compliance. All surface finishing, including chrome plating, anodizing, die casting parts, and more we provide are compliant with Rose and REACH. Updated techniques. Sunrise Metal always uses updated techniques and equipment which ensures quality plating on metal parts. We utilize both hard chrome plating aluminum and high-quality decorative chrome plating aluminum. Our chrome plating aluminum process includes the following stages. 1. We do degreasing to remove the heavy debris and dust from the metal surface. 2. After that, we do the cleaning of the surface with our high-tech cleaning machines. When necessary, we do manual cleaning too. 3. We will apply different pre-treatments depending on the substance and the alloy in use. 4. Now, we submerge the aluminum part in a chrome plating bath and maintaining the temperature. 5. The final step is to check the thickness of the plating and to check the quality as well. Can aluminum be hard chromed? Yes. Hard chrome plating can be done on aluminum. The chrome plating is best for aluminum parts, its alloys, and anodized aluminum too. Because of its hardness and low friction, this type of plating is exceptionally resistant to wear. Also, it makes aluminum parts durable as well as corrosion resistant. What metals can be chrome-plated? The best part about chrome plating is that it can be used on a variety of materials. Metals including copper, brass, steel, aluminum, and more can be chrome-plated. It increases the strength of metal parts and makes them more suitable for various applications. Chrome-plated metals are best to use for automotive, aircraft parts, everyday items, and much more. Is chrome plating expensive? Chromium plating is an electrolytic process, which makes it less expensive. But, as compared to other coatings, it is not too expensive. The general price range of chrome plating lies between a few $100s to $1,000. Basically, the price depends upon the quality of chromium plating and the size of aluminum parts. Is chrome plating safe for food? Yes, chrome plating is safe for food items too. In liquid form, chromium is a carcinogen, but once the plating process completes, it becomes non-toxic. Therefore, food containers with chrome plating are safe to store food as they are not toxic.